and today we will discuss active and passive verbs. So let's look at what are active verbs first. These verbs express a direct action performed by the subject. In the example here, we can see the cat chased the mouse. So, in this sentence, we can see that the cat, who is the subject, chased the mouse, who is another subject. But the cat is the one who is doing the bigger action. It is doing the action on the mouse. Okay? While in passive verb, for passive verbs, we can say these verbs show that the subject is the recipient of the action. Recipient, receive. Okay? While in active verbs, you are doing the action. In passive, you are receiving the action. Okay? It's like you are giving a gift to someone, that is active, and when you are receiving the gift from someone, that's passive. So the example is the mouse was chased by the cat. Was chased is the verb, the action. Mouse is the subject and cat is another subject. But here, mouse is the one who's receiving the action, who's receiving something. Now, when you are in active and passive verb, always remember that in the case of passive, we'll always talk about is, was. Okay? The recipient is receiving something or was receiving something or received something. Okay? While in the case of active, we don't use the word is, was. Okay? We will never use the cat was chased by the mouse. The mouse will never chase the cat. The cat will chase the mouse. Okay? This is the basic difference between active and passive verbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button